All superheroes,
Here we
we are
go.
cleared for takeoff.
The back row of the Vapor Trail. This was one of my first roller coasters growing up. It was either my first or Flitzer was my first. I don't know. This ride uses a tire lift hill, so it's 2 tires that clamp an underside of the drain, and that's how much propels it up the lift hill. And here we go. Oh shoot! Whoa! 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 That's actually really intense for a kiddie coaster. Here we go again.
Yeah, they would never.
That was a pretty rough break. Really rough breaks. But great ride. As I said, this was one of my first coasters growing up, so it has a lot of sentimental value to me. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, peace out.